Welcome to the clothing store vocabulary lesson. Today, we learn essential words for shopping for clothes. These words help you communicate clearly when buying clothes in English-speaking stores. A shop is a small place to buy goods. A store is a larger retail space with more items. A department store sells many different categories of products under one roof. A shirt covers the upper body and usually has buttons or a collar. A t-shirt is a casual short-sleeved top without buttons. Pants are garments that cover the lower body from waist to ankles. A dress is a one-piece garment for women that covers both upper and lower body. A skirt is a women's garment that hangs from the waist, covering part of the legs. A jacket is an outer garment worn over other clothes. Shoes are footwear that protect and cover the feet. Boots are high footwear that cover the ankle and sometimes the calf. A belt is an accessory worn around the waist to hold pants up or as decoration. A sweater is a warm knitted garment worn on the upper body. A hoodie is a sweatshirt with an attached hood covering the head. Jeans are trousers made from denim fabric. A hat is head covering worn for fashion, warmth, or protection from sun. A cap is a casual hat, usually without a brim or with a short brim. A scarf is fabric worn around the neck for warmth or style. A salesperson helps customers find items and answers questions about products. A clerk is a store assistant who helps with various tasks. A cashier handles payments and gives receipts. To try on means to put clothes on your body to check the size and fit. Fit describes how well clothing matches your body shape. Checkout is the process of paying for your purchases. Cash means physical paper money and coins. A credit card lets you borrow money to pay now and repay later. A receipt is the paper proof showing what you bought and how much you paid.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.